It's all wrapped up. Just have to clean some trash up. So as planned, today we're gonna start taking down this mini ramp. Build it like peak pandemic just for something to do. It served its purpose, but now it's kind of falling apart and just an eyesore. And I think I could probably fit 2 more cars back here if I take that out. So yeah, we're gonna start taking that apart. I went out and bought like the cheapest circular saw at Home Depot, and yeah, we're just gonna start taking it apart. So it's probably gonna be like chill, time lapse, throw some music over it. We got this thing like halfway taken down. All the sheets of plywood are getting off. The sheet is like super slippery. It's covered in like algae, so you probably catch me slipping like all the time in the video. But it sounds like it's starting to rain, so I'm gonna hurry up and try to get the rest of this done. And hopefully we can at least get the sheets off, because we're gonna reuse the studs for some other stuff in the garage. Just smoked the first bit of this project. I'm on like the algae part now. All the screws are completely destroyed. Alright, second battery change of this project. I don't know where my Milwaukee screw gun is. I feel like it doesn't die as much as this DeWalt one, but it's no big deal. I'm hoping I can beat the rain and get this thing down. This was clearly the worst part of the ramp. I think a wheel went through it and then it all went downhill from there. You can see over there. Went through both sheets. So I'm gonna put the camera away and just keep running through this, and hopefully I can get as much done before it starts pouring. But as you guys can hear and maybe see, it sounds like it's gonna start pouring, of course. As per New Jersey, whenever I try to do something, it just starts pouring and then doesn't stop for days. Oh wait, never mind. Actually, even better, it's not snowing, it's actually hailing. Alright, so the whole skin is off of it. There's like an 8-foot flat section in the middle. I just unscrewed the screws that were holding the quarter pipes to the flat section. So now I'm gonna just run down and unbolt all the studs for now, cover them up with a tarp so they don't get too soaked. And then next weekend or whenever me and Mason get to it, we'll start building out probably like a workbench and a chopper table out of this kind of stuff. I'm still beating the rain, so I'm gonna start taking the decks off, the coping and all that stuff. So the flat is all taken apart. I'm gonna start taking apart the quarters. Get the studs over there. I'll have to sort through them and see which ones are savable and which ones aren't. But yeah, I mean, it's raining, but we're still getting through it. Hopefully be done by the end of the day. Okay, so now these are pretty much like unframed, the quarter pipe parts. Now I gotta get these quarters just completely taken apart, which might get a little bit weird. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna do it. I'm not sure if when I pull the screws out, it's gonna like tip over, but I guess we're gonna find out together on that. I'm gonna go do the other side real quick. All right, so that's pretty much it. Mini ram's down completely. I just gotta pull some screws out of this wood that didn't come out for whenever I throw it out. I don't want anybody getting poked or anything, so I gotta cut some screws out and get some out. Yeah, I'd say it cleared up spots for like, if need be, 3 more cars with that not being there. Gotta clean up a little bit more. Got the studs out, and then I gotta go through them. Gotta cut this up, and I'll probably burn it because this is all not pressure treated, like I said. Yeah, just had to clean up some trash from stuff that got away from us from when we used to skate it, or whenever all my friends come over, we usually hang out in the garage. So yeah, it's pretty much a wrap on this video. Enjoy it if you could. I appreciate it. I did just pay off my Snap-on bill completely, so I'll be buying some parts super soon, and I know I've been saying that forever, but I really will this time. Yeah, so another video coming Friday. Make sure you check it out. Thanks for watching this video. Like it, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.